So be a subscriber, Wagwan. Welcome back to 4K Shala Energy. And in this update, we're going to just talk about Gully Bop a little bit. Me I hear say the entertainer is sick and him need help. So we have one lady that goes by the name of Miss Dana. I reach out to the people and I say, yo, Gully Bop need help. You see me? All a Gully Bop woman them who used to stay with him, Gully Bop need help. So I'm going to play the video and make you hear what really I go on. You see me? Remember, subscribe to 4K Shala Energy if you're new. I'm going to kick it off the right way.
Oh no, catch a rocket with the Gucci bag, Rex by me hip side. Sipping any on the rocket.
Feel a way bad. Me, I'm gonna drive off and then just walk up to me and say, me feel a way.
Okay, so hold on, let me tell TikTok. So good morning, TikTok. Admin, may take the live here and save it over TikTok for me. So if all them people them can reach out to him. So good morning, TikTok. Auntie Dana here and I'm with Gully Bop, right? Him sick and need some help. Then bring him come to 99 for help with bags and food. We say him sick and him don't have any money.
He have to eat on time.
And him have to eat on time and him don't have anything.
And him cannot move.
So I'm to your church, sir. Oh no, your pastor, what go on?
I saw him get the surgery and we've been doing a lot for him.
Oh, what your church name?
El Shaddai Prophetic Ministry in St.
Oh, El Shaddai. So you've been helping him?
Yes, the ministry been helping him. That's how he get the surgery and everything.
Okay, for the surgery for him.
So now we just need him to maintain himself now, like, you know.
Okay. So TikTok, you have to meet me over my YouTube. This phone dying. Gully Bop needs some help with medication. So I'm asking Miss Amari, Miss Shana Chin, allegedly, me I go say me never say it look a while. All the past girlfriend them of Gully Bop, all who get a work off of him in the song, and his children, them family members, sickness do not partial anybody, all the entertainment fraternity or fertility, any kind of thing. We asking for help for Gully Bop. Auntie Dana not collecting anything. This pastor man here bring him come on my gate.
Yes.
You can reach out and him need a phone. If anyone can give him a phone, yes, so him can call. I tell him say he must use him Facebook page and go. And you need somebody who collect your money when I go take your money. Cause some people you can't give them money for carry. You understand? Or them do a GoFundMe for you or something to raise funds to help him.
Then they do that already, Auntie Dana.
So what happened?
The man put up the GoFundMe. Him say it now and grow fast. I mean, no, that's a lie.
Me no know, sir, allegedly.
Look now. How long? About 2 years now. How long that they go for money they can't come in mind.
Alright, what happened is
So you not get the GoFundMe money that was picked up for you?
No, him take it, the man that puts up take it.
Yeah, there.
So
you can't lock him up for your money?
I can't lock him up, I say, I don't call no name coming.
No call no name over here, sir. I want to drive for road.
The man right now, I'm sick. And look now, I'm sick, and me and you spar, and two want to come together, so now I'm going to bring up the GoFund thing for me. Yeah, and none of them could even say, alright, we call it this. I could give him one liquor can and then we take the more side. Not even a Kent, not even a crumbs.
No call nobody name over.
One case, yeah. Comes a drop and he catch it, and let me get it.
Alright, that's the past tense, right? You see now.
No,
he don't have a phone.
Say the past tense,
no.
But Auntie Dana want to know.
Why you have a phone?
Say, go phone, put up for me. So people may say, on the go phone and still a beg.
A wrong people do it for you. I need if you have a phone.
I know the wrong people who
I need
do
to
it
have
for
a
me,
phone
them highlight to Auntie Dana.
Because I'm very busy. I'm very busy. I take out my schedule just to bring it here to Auntie Dana.
No call no mix up over here, sir. Hold on there. So TikTok, me go cut off the live because my phone is on 6%. So now if you watch it on the YouTube page, oh you save this here now. Oh you stop it up here so. So TikTok, you have to meet me over YouTube, Dana go here. Alright. I don't know how decline, how you accept, how you end the live. How me for end the live now, end stream now.
So at here, so the live ended, and as you can see, Gully Bop look like him really need help. Him is like the lady say, yo, Gully Bop don't have no money, him don't have no food, And them a reach out to basically everybody who can help him. You see me? She asks if them can give him a $50 or $100. You see me? And all I can say is, we are subscriber, you can take this as a life lesson, like, if you save up your money, bro. Cause at the end of the day, you don't know when these times are gonna reach you. You see me? Not because you made up on top of the mountain doesn't mean say you cannot reach back down to the bottom of it. You see me? Save up your money, bro. At the end of the day, we it a benefit in the long run. You see me? So hope Gully Bop get some help for his health. You see me? Hope say the females them way Gully Bop used to encounter with can come back and help him out. You see me? Yeah, man. So that alone I have to say on the topic of your subscriber. I hope the entertainer get better soon, as he pray. Yeah, man. So remember, subscribe to 4K Shala Energy if you're new. And as always, catch you now in our next one.